heartlings, and good morning. I hope you're having a lovely morning. So, I am back in the woods today, just connecting with myself and nature. Have you been out today? Have you? Have you? Have you? If you haven't, make sure you do. Get out more. Get out into the nature. So, today I am feeling called to allow the inner song to flow through me. So I want to share with you a song that is wanting to be born. I don't know what it's gonna be yet. So it will be a surprise for me too. Also, before I go ahead, I just want to reflect upon how beautiful the autumn colors are. It's like I just love the way the trees and all the vegetation change their colors, and that makes me think about changes. How do I accept changes that come in my life? Change is a constant, it's the only constant that we have. It's like the only continuous constant thing is the change. If I, for that matter, you too, get clingy onto certain conditions very, very quickly, I feel I'm coming off balance, because it's only natural. The most natural thing there is a change. Nothing else is as constant as that. So the changes in the nature, the seasons, the way it changes, it reminds us how we too are part of the nature, and we are constantly changing too. So another thing that I observe the nature is teaching is that surrendering to the change makes it less painful or pain-free if we truly surrender to what is. So I feel this is a great reminder how to be more like nature. Because, like, do you see any tree resisting the change? Or any vegetation for that matter? They just surrender. So I feel this is the message for today. Surrender. Surrender, surrender. Which is now coming up. Here I come, here I am, here Here I stand, here I breathe. Surrender, 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 surrender. I surrender, I surrender. As the autumn leaves are falling, so am I, letting all the layers to fall off, feeling like an onion. I feel it's the time to shed all the layers. It's the time to shed. I surrender to, I surrender, I surrender, surrender. In the